Hey everybody, this is Andy from T is for Tech, and today I'm going to do a quick unboxing and test fit of the Spigen Tough Armor case for the Galaxy S20 Ultra. Now, if you've seen other reviews on the channel, I've done this Spigen Tough Armor review for a bunch of different phones: Galaxy Note 10 Plus, OnePlus 7 Pro, iPhone 10, etc. I really do like the Spigen cases, and they're typically, a pretty good value for around 15 bucks, right? So, and I like these because they have the kickstand, and on these bigger devices, it's always nice to be able to watch and consume media with the phone kind of on the table or some flat surface kind of propped up. So we're just going to do a quick unboxing here. So this is very much like the Galaxy Note 10 Plus version of the Spigen case. Has this kind of foam, yellow foam inside. I don't actually know if that helps or anything from a drop protections perspective, because it's kind of weird that how they put it in there, but it is what it is. And it's basically the same sort of thing. So you got a little bit of a flexible kind of TPU on the edges, and then there's this plastic back, so it's kind of almost like a two-part case, but doesn't really come apart. Where you have this black matte plastic on the back, and then you have the TPU material on the top and bottoms, and then you have it on the buttons, so the volume button, power button, and all of that. So here's the S20 Ultra, and we'll just kind of slip it in. Like I said, I do like the Spigen cases. They do typically fit really well on all the devices that I've used them on. And this is no exception. I don't know if you can see, but it does give you a little bit of a lip on the top and bottom. So if you do rest this face down, it's not going to scratch the screen on the surface or on the desk or whatever you put it on. Gives you a little bit of protection there. You do get pretty full coverage on the sides. The S20 Ultra does have less rounded sides than some of the older Samsung devices that had the huge curve, so that doesn't stick up that much beyond the edge of the plastic or the rubber there. So this probably is a little bit better from a drop protection standpoint, because the glass doesn't protrude as much as it did probably on the S10 and some of the other Samsung devices. So that's nice. You got your cutouts at the bottom, pretty standard, but they are done nicely. Microphone at the top, and the buttons, so, and then the camera bump here, you can see that gives you pretty good protection. That's also a little bit higher than flush, so if you put it down here, you're not going to hit the camera module on the table or on a flat surface, so that's nice. Got your standard little flip out there. That's just it. I just want to do a quick unboxing, quick test fit. This is exactly like the Galaxy Note 10 Plus version. Pretty much exactly the same as that, but for the S20 Ultra. If you have any questions, go ahead and drop those in the comments below. I'm going to be doing some more videos over the next weeks on the S20 Ultra, because I have some other cases to try out. Want to do some video tests, some audio tests, some photo tests, all of that. So if you have any ideas for anything you want to see, go ahead and let me know. This is Andrew from T is for Tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.